What's good, YouTube? Welcome to my channel. My name is Charles, for those of you who don't know. And in today's video, I'm going to be talking about some of my top favorite products that I use to maintain this mane growing on my face. So if you guys want to know about some of the products that I use and how to keep your beard healthy, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, stay tuned. All right, so lately there's been about 3 different things that I love using for this beard. With no further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and jump right in, keep it nice, quick, simple, and short. So one of the first products that I use in order to kind of wash my beard is going to be the SHEA Moisture's beard wash. This beard is really hydrating, is really conditioning. It really helps kind of detangle your beard and kind of helps with that itchiness and the flakes and all the bad stuff that you get. I love using it. I do it usually at night. So, you know, when you kind of wash or condition something or get it out, of course, all the moisture that was on there leaves. So especially if I do this at night, I'll go ahead and grab the Beard Butter by Mastro's. It is really soothing. It gives you like a tingling mint sensation and it smells amazing. And I usually do this at night to follow up on my wash day for my beard. It kind of just helps restore the moisture without making it too oily, those oils out there. So I would highly recommend you grabbing this product for your beard, especially after a good wash day or after a good facial wash, or if you're gonna get like a deep tissue massage or something and you get your face done. This product is amazing. And then last, I've been kind of going back and forth lately with 2 oils that I use on the daily just to kind of keep it moisturized. Right now, I'm using the SHEA Moisture Beard Conditioning Oil. I've been using that just because of the smell and how it feels. And it really helps with the thickness and keeping the moisture there. But I also sometimes too use the Forest Blend by CREMO. Amazing stuff. I actually showed you guys that in my last beard video. So if you guys want to learn more about that, I'll have that link down below as well. And that's it. That's literally it. That's all the 3 products that I use for my beard. Keep it nice, quick, simple, and short. I'm not doing anything extra. Of course, I'm going to get my lineups every, week and a half or 2 weeks. Just kind of keep it nice, tamed, and about every month. And kind of just get it nice and shaped up, just because all the stragglies and the split ends, yes, your beard has split ends, they kind of get in the way. So of course, every month get it trimmed nice and up. And then, usually bi-weekly, I'll go and just get it lined up. So that is all I have for you guys. That's it. Those are the products that I use. So if you guys like more videos like this, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. Like I said earlier, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And if you guys want to see more videos like this and my day-to-day routine, or if you want to see a step-by-step breakdown, comment down below and let me know. And also, I want to know, what products are you using? Is there something out there that I'm missing? I don't know, you beard gurus, let me know, because I will try it for you guys. Or if you heard of something that's good, I will try it and review it. So that's all I have for you guys today. And until next time, I'm Charlesmaurice, and I'll see you in the next video. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about more things with my beard. Scratch 2. Perfect timing. Just perfect.